I'm going to bring you through my planning process for our writing lesson that we're doing this week. And it's based on Gabby's Dollhouse. So if you guys are going to see that movie, this lesson is free on my website. It's a 3-day writing lesson. So on day 1, we're going to watch the movie, deconstruct the prompt, and we're going to do some brainstorming. So the first thing we did was watch the movie. On the way from watching the movie, I had some conversation starters. Which room had colors that made you go, wow? What was there a room that made you laugh or smile the most? If you can jump into the dollhouse right now, which room would you first visit? Which room had the coolest toys or activities? Or did any room remind you of the space at home? The reason that we're talking about the room is because the prompt is choose your favorite room in Gabby's Dollhouse. Write a detailed description explaining what the room looks like and what are those special features inside and the characters who spend the time there. And then they're going to explain what kids can learn or do in that room. So that's the writing prompt that I created for the movie. The next thing we're going to do is deconstruct the prompt. So we're going to go part at a time. So what I did is I have these nice little sticky notes, and part 1, choose your favorite room. I also provided the sentence stem, so if you have a struggling writer and they need a little boost for something or they need a little help getting started, every step of the way I have sentence stems in there so they can get going. So part 1, they had to choose their favorite room. Part 2, describe what it looks like. Part 3, explain the special features inside. Tell which characters are there. And then part 5, explain what kids can learn or do. So we're going to break that up. She's going to brainstorm. We're going to get some ideas, and we're going to use that for the writing. So that's how we're going to deconstruct that. And I have guiding questions every step of the way. So if you get stuck, for example, choose your favorite room. Ask your child, which room did you like best in the movie? Why was it your favorite? And then the sentence stem is, my favorite room is Gabby's Dollhouse. My favorite room in Gabby's Dollhouse is blank because blank. So every step of the way, breaking down that prompt is going to, 1, is going to save you time in writing, and then 2, is going to make sure they answer every part of the writing prompt. And step 3 for day 1 is my graphic organizers. So this is the first one. We have the room, you have the appearance, we have special features, characters, learning opportunities, and the last one is why is it special. The next organizer that we are going to do is our census chart. So what are the things you see, hear, smell, touch, and taste? And the last thing that we're going to do for brainstorming is, this is a mini lesson on topic sentences. So we're going to go, I'm going to show her some examples of topic sentences, and then we're going to practice with some sentence stems for a topic sentence for the introduction, for the paragraph about the appearance, the special features, characters, everything that we did on that anchor chart. And so when we're ready to write those parts of the writing, we'll already have our topic sentences mapped out. This is just the brainstorming part before we really dig into the writing, and this is day 1. So stay tuned. I am going to share the actual lesson with us, and you can see her work, and I'm going to do it live so you can see some of the conversations that we're having and to give you some ideas when you're ready to do it with your child. So stay tuned.